As a key link between a shop's productivity and customer care, service advisors play a vital role in recommending solutions that enhance vehicle performance and client satisfaction. For a parts store, the counterperson often plays the role of counselor, therapist, and knowledgeable confidant. For many drivers with active suspension systems, understanding why they're experiencing problems may be confusing. Converting these active systems to passive systems can often make sense. Understanding how to communicate these benefits can be educational to your professional customers. Recommending the right solutions can help you help them help their customers. Active suspension systems are advanced but often unfamiliar to car owners. Often, many customers worry about high repair costs and system failures. With conversion kits from FCS Auto Parts, you can help professional technicians position these upgrades as more reliable and cost-effective alternatives. Explaining that passive suspensions are mechanically simpler reduces customer concerns about expensive repairs and electronic failures. Which vehicles benefit the most? Vehicles with aging or failing active suspension systems are ideal candidates for conversion. Some of the most common applications include luxury SUVs and crossovers, including models like the Cadillac Escalade, Chevrolet Tahoe, and GMC Yukon, where active suspension repairs can be costly. Or older performance vehicles, sports sedans and coupes with worn-out adaptive dampers that owners wish to replace with a more reliable and cost-effective solution. Be sure to address potential concerns that drivers should be aware of. There may be a loss of adaptive features. Active suspension adjusts in real time to road conditions, whereas passive suspensions have fixed damping settings. Some high-end luxury vehicles may experience a slight change in ride dynamics. Driving preferences. Drivers accustomed to highly responsive active suspensions may notice a different feel with a passive system. Compatibility. Not every vehicle should be or can be converted. Always verify your vehicle's compatibility before purchasing. FCS supplies individual component conversion kits and also designs conversion kits for specific vehicle models to ensure proper fitment, including complete active to passive suspension systems, conversion kits, and complete air spring to coil spring conversion kits. To find the right kit for your customers' vehicles, visit fcsautoparts.com. Customers value honest, straightforward advice. Presenting FCS conversion kits as a solution that enhances vehicle reliability and driving comfort demonstrates your expertise. You can explain that while active suspensions offer advanced handling, converting to passive suspensions provides consistent performance with fewer worries about electronics or costly repairs down the line. One of the most compelling selling points is cost savings. FCS conversion kits convert complex active systems into durable passive suspensions, which are generally less expensive to maintain. Offer solutions by emphasizing the long-term affordability and reduced likelihood of electronic or sensor-related issues, especially for older or high-mileage vehicles. For more information, visit fcsautoparts.com.